going on? It's me, Lats. Kamusta na mga kalata? Andito na naman tayo sa panibagong lutuan. At ngayong gabi ay gagawa tayo ng Spanish bread. At kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe ay mag-subscribe ka na. At ito ang kailangan natin mga ingredients. At tayo mag-umpisa na.
1 cup of warm milk, 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of yeast, and mix it and set aside. In another bowl, we need a 3 cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 cup of white sugar, and mix it. Then add 1 piece of egg, 50 grams melted butter, and add the yeast mixture to your flour mixture and mix it well. Place the dough into your mat and rest for about 1 hour. For the filling, we need 1 cup of butter, 1 cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of bread crumbs, and mix it well. If you don't have a breadcrumbs, I have an alternate solution. Just click. After 1 hour, place the dough into your mat and cut it into pieces. Then spread the filling into your dough and then roll it. Then butter the pan and roll it to water and breadcrumb. And oven it for 7 minutes.
Thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more delicious video. If you have any suggestion, comment, please comment down below. And 3, 2, 1, adios!
you like my video, you can follow me on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter.